Hello, I'm Sarah and I'm trying out this recipe for the first time today. I've got it from the Maggi website, so I'll put a link down below to that. We got this sucker to use up. Now, while I'm calling this a 2-minute noodle and zucchini slice, this is into marrow territory. But I needed something to use up, and my kids aren't big on like slices of marrow, so I know you get recipes where you can hollow these out and put things inside. They'd never eat that. However, grating it up, they have been known to like stuff. So, as this recipe also incorporates bacon, I think it'll be up their alley. This is for 6 portions apparently. I'll probably put some veggies or something on the side. We'll need 3 packets of 2-minute noodles. So I'm just going to put 3 of these without the flavour sachets included. Sachet. Flavour sachet. So I always say sachet. I don't know. Sachet. Also they had these butcher's bacon pieces on special at Pack and Save. And these, it actually doesn't say to pre-cook the bacon, but you're meant to use rashers of bacon, and these bacon bits are very much like little chunks, and I find they're not much good if you don't pre-cook them. They need a bit of extra cooking. So I'm going to divvy this in half. So I'm going to pre-cook some bacon just in the frying pan, and I'm going to cook and drain 3 packets of 2-minute noodles. Got our drained noodles, got our pre-cooked bacon. In a bowl we are going to crack 6 eggs. If anyone's wondering, the darker the egg yolks, the more orangey they are as opposed to yellowy, the more nice green leafy stuff and grass and stuff the chickens have been eating. Want to add 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. Going to add into this mixture some garlic. Now it actually didn't say on the ingredients on the Maggi website how much garlic to put in, so I'm going to go with a teaspoon. Put 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, yep, and either 1 large or 2 small onions. I've got 2 reasonably small ones, so I'll chop them up and put them in. Bacon is going in here as well. It says 675 grams of zucchini. So, zucchini. So let's weigh this marrow. 705. So I've put about 700 grams of marrow in.
Cheese!
Aston doesn't like cheese, so we won't be putting much into here. We want about 1.5 cups of grated cheese in here. One sachet from the 2-minute noodles. They were chicken flavoured.
2-minute noodles trying out with bacon, and grated courgette, and cheese, and 1 packet of chicken.
Well, we've nearly done. Look at that. I actually gave it an extra 5 minutes in the oven because I wasn't entirely certain that it was done, but I reckon it is. It actually smells really, really yummy. I can see you coming, Olivia. She's trying to sneak up on the camera.
Smells familiar.
Does it smell a bit? Ooh.
This is good.
I'm hearing reports of this is good from the table over there.
What does it do? Noodles? Yeah.
That's actually really nice. Especially the bacon in it. I don't think you'd want it without the bacon. You kind of need that flavour, and you can just very mildly taste sort of that sachet of chickeny. That is actually really nice. It's something that's a I mean, I'm gonna be honest, I wouldn't like rave about it, like, oh my goodness, this is the yummiest thing in the whole wide world. That's a great way to use up a whole heap of zucchini, or marrow in my case. I mean, 2-minute noodles, it is cheap as, it was so easy to put together. You know, if you got some of that cheap bacon, boom. I mean, you could stick other veggies in there. I've actually got some corn to go on the side of this. You could even put the corn in there as well. You could even maybe experiment, put a bit of paprika in to enhance that sort of bacon flavour. But yum, yeah, give that a go. All the kids are silent, that's a good sign. Hit like, leave us a comment, hit subscribe, let me know if you have a go at making this. Catch you next week, bye. So, Aston, look at that camera up there. That's currently, it was showing the back of your head and not much else. So can you just scooch over? Careful, careful.
Now I've got get stuck in my throat.
Yeah, well,